my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat. So I know how much you all love my haul videos because most of my views are from my haul videos only, let's be honest. So today I'm going to share with you all two hauls. One is from Nykaa and the second one is from Hawk Makeup. If you don't know, Hawk Makeup is also a makeup product site basically where you can buy many products, many makeup brands. So according to my videos or my channel's analytics, like many of y'all are not subscribed to my channel, like around 78% of y'all. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any future videos of mine. Yeah, that's all for the intro. Let's get into the video. So before we proceed, let me show you the packages as I do every time. These are not many, and this one I have weirdly opened it, so just excuse me for that. So let me start with the Nykaa one, and here is the package. And in this one, there are not a lot of products, actually whatever I had finished, so I just bought the backups of those products. So I will just open it and show you what is there in it. So the very first thing I could see over here is this is Pack Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I can't tell you how much I had to wait to buy this one because this was out of stock everywhere, and I just wanted to buy one very quickly. I had finished the previous bottle like 15 days or 20 days ago already, and I just wanted to buy a new one. And finally I got my hands on this, and I bought it like a week ago now. And yeah, this is the first product, and this is how it looks like. And this has a very fine mist. You couldn't even see, right? It's very fine and very beautiful makeup fixer, and this will cost you around 925 bucks. Next up is again a makeup fixer. Actually I was running out of my makeup fixers, so I wanted to buy and discover new products. So here is the Pixi Skin Treats. This is a makeup fixing mist, and this is in flavor like rose water and green tea. And this is a very beautiful, again affordable makeup fixing spray. This will cost you around 1500 bucks, and I am yet to try this one, and you would be seeing me using this in my future tutorials. Alright, so the next stuff is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. Actually I was running out of this as well, and there was a deal going on, like if you buy two of them you will get them for 20% off or something. I got it for 884 something, and the single one costs you like 549 bucks. So I saved like 200 bucks on this. So again, one of my holy grail, and I have a backup of it now. Alright, so the last stuff from Nykaa haul is this one. This is Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base by Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade 02 Silver Pink. I have heard a lot of things about this one, and I really wanted to get my hands on this one and try this personally, so that I could give you a review of it. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. This is a very good packaging though, and this costed me like around I think it was for something 250 or something, and I will just remove it and show you how does it look like. And this is a very runny consistency, and this is how it looks like. And you can see over here, oh my god, this looks very beautiful. This definitely has some silver sheen into it, as it says it is silver pink color. And if you apply it on your face, it will just give a very natural shine to your face. You could see over here, oh my god, it's looking very nice and promising. So I'm just looking forward to use this. Right, so that's all for the Nykaa one, and let's get the Hawk one. And you could see how badly I have opened it. So this is a bill, and to order from this site basically was these eyeshadow palettes which are newly launched. I'll just show you. These are by Nika K, These are the palettes, and these are like neon editions, and I really wanted to buy them, you guys. So the very first one is this is called Ocean Eyes, and this is how the color scheme looks like. Very beautiful colors. I really don't have a palette which contains, you know, blue like these, and I'm really looking forward to use them. I could just give you some swatches of these metallic ones. Yes, so this is how the pigmentation is. This looked promising, and I will just use it in one of my tutorials, and you would see me using these. Okay, so the next one, probably my personal favorite, is this one, Oh Honey, and that is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, and you would be seeing a tutorial on this eye makeup look. And this is like very beautiful yellow and sunset kind of a skin color tones, and I am really looking forward to use the other colors like these. These are very nice earthy colors, and the other ones like I have already used on my eyes, so I know how do they work. You could see these are very beautiful and pigmented eyeshadows. So if you're looking for affordable yellow color palette, you could just get your hands on this one. So the last palette from this one is this Lucky Charm, and this is a very nice green plus yellow plus, I mean they have just mixed and matched, and I would just give you a swatch of it. 1 2 3. Very beautiful and pigmented shade, you guys. One, and here is the second one, and here is the third one. Oh my god. Also, if I give you the swatch of the other ones, like the matte ones, 1 2 3. Oh, OMG, these are very pigmented, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. I really love the color scheme on this one as well, and you can create n number of eye looks from these palettes, you guys. These are very pigmented and very inexpensive. If I would tell you, I got these all of them, like 3 palettes for 1150 or 1199, like 1200 bucks I spent on these, and 400 for a palette which is very pigmented and from a good brand. It's nothing. So if you want good palettes in budget, you could just try these, and these are very beautiful. You can just take my words and try these. Alright, so I have bought 2 things from Physicians Formula. One is this one. This is called Argan Wear bronzer, and this is a butter blush. Actually, the color which I wanted in this one, I didn't get it, so I had to buy this one. Still a very beautiful shade, and something which I don't have, so I really thought I should just get this one, and I would just open it and show you the bronzer come out. The packaging is not up to the mark, you guys, but the inner packaging, or the packaging of this one, this is a push button. Oh my god, it smells like argan oil. It says that it is a argan oil bronzer. So this is like, this has very nice golden highlighter shades like over here. If I just give you a swatch of it, I'll just run my finger on it, and oh my god, this could be used as a highlighter as well. This is nothing like a bronzer. Let me be very honest, this is like a highlighting shade, you guys. This is not at all a bronzer. Oh my god, this does not look like a bronzer. This does not like feel like a bronzer. It has very nice highlighting shade in it, like golden sheen. You could see the golden pleating or something like that around this. And there is a bronzer, but I don't know, by the time you just have to use it like for 10-15 times, then only you will reach till here, like to the bronzer, which is the main thing of this. But right now I could just use it as a highlighter maybe. So the next thing is this butter blush. This is in the shade what was the shade? Rosy pink. So yeah, let's open it. Again, pathetic outer packaging. Oh my god, I don't know how to remove it. Oh gosh, look at the packaging from inside. Oh my god, such a beautiful package. Oh my god. And you get a brush along with it, and the color over here, I could see this is a very, very beautiful color of blush, and I don't have such color in my collection yet, so I'm really, really excited to use it. This is how the color looks like. This is on a pink side, but this is giving you some sort of lavender feel. Like it looks like it's sort of a lavender color. So I'm just, you know, living for this packaging right here. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, can't wait to try this one. Next stuff which I have bought is blush again, which is by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Pinch Me Pink. Again a pink color, but that pink and this pink is very different. If you would see, this is sort of very nice corally pink, and I would just give a swatch of it. You could barely see it because I don't know, the pigmentation is just nowhere, so I don't know how to give a swatch of it. I'm just running my finger on it, but I can't really get the pigment out of it. This is definitely a buildable blush. Actually I'm wearing it today, but when I took it on the brush, the pigmentation was more, and when I'm picking it up with on my finger, it's like nowhere and very less. So I am not at all disappointed because I know how does it work. It looks very beautiful on my cheeks right now. So yeah, this is the next stuff which I bought. Alright, so the next stuff is this LA Colors eyeliner pencil. This is eyeliner pencil crayon in the shade navy, and I will just give you a swatch of it. This is nowhere to navy or something. This is sort of a very dark greenish blue kind of a shade, and I don't know if I could apply it in my waterline, because pencils like these, this is very difficult to apply in your waterline, but definitely I can use it to apply a eyeliner or something, because this is a very beautiful teal green kind of a shade, but they have named it navy. I don't know for what reason. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to use this one. Alright, so the last but not the least, the product which I am really excited about is this one. This is by LA Colors. This is called Iced Pigment Powder. So this is basically a loose pigment to apply on your eyelids after a eyeshadow or something. So I'll just open it and show you. I am really excited to use it. Actually there should be a filming. Actually I'll just remove it and I'll be back. So guys, I have successfully removed it. So you get like holes over here, and I will just dust it a bit over here, and I will just give you a swatch like so. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. Oh my god, such a beautiful, oh my god, it turned to something very beautiful, sort of silver green and purple and very nice monochrome color, and I am really excited to use it, you guys. This is so beautiful, and this is so inexpensive, like for 200 or 250 bucks, and I'm really excited to use use it in my future tutorials. So guys, I hope you liked this video because I know you all just love my haul videos. So give a lots of love to this one as well. I really enjoy sharing all of the products which I buy and doing these hauls. This is really a fun. So if you want me to make more videos like these, just encourage me by liking the videos, also sharing and subscribing to this channel, and I will be forever grateful to you guys. So with the promise of making more videos like this, I will just take your leave now, and yeah, I will see you in my next video super soon. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.